Now that you know the topic, let's go over some keywords and linking words before we dive into the reading. Today we will learn three keywords. The first keyword is photography. Photography means 사진 찍기 in Korean. We can also say taking pictures. Can anyone make a sentence with it?
I love photography.
Yes, that's right. And also sentence, he loves photography and takes photos every weekend. The next keyword is bird watching. Oh, look at this picture. What do you think bird watching means in Korean? That's right. Bird watching means 조류 관찰 in Korean. Let's make a sentence with it. Bird watching is a quiet and relaxing hobby. The last keyword is gardening. Look at this picture. What do you think gardening means in Korean?
정원
That's right. Gardening means 정원 가꾸기 in Korean. It means taking care of a garden. This is another hobby we can talk about. Let's make a sentence with it. My grandfather enjoys gardening in his free time. Now, let's make sure you can really match the word with the pictures. The first picture is photography. The next picture is
bird watching.
That's right, bird watching. The last picture is
Gardening.
Yes, gardening. Perfect. Now we are going to study some linking words. We already learned last time, and today we are going to look at a few more. But, however, and why? We use these words what we want to show, contrast, or connect different ideas. The only thing is they go in slightly different place in a sentence. One means 하지만 in Korean. We use it to show contrast or opposite between two ideas. You usually put it between two clauses in the middle of a sentence. However means 그러나 in Korean. We use it to show contrast or exception between sentences. So where can you use it?
Usually at the beginning of a sentence, sometimes in the middle or at the end.
That's right. It is usually placed at the beginning of a sentence, but sometimes in the middle or at the end. Why means 하지만 in Korean. Can anyone guess what it does in a sentence? That's right. It is used to show contrast between two ideas, and it is usually placed at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. Good job. Let's take a short quiz to check our understanding. Can anyone tell me what can go in the first blank?
Why?
Yes, why? What do you think then?
It can be placed at the beginning of the sentence.
Wow, perfect. Because only y can be placed beginning at the sentence to introduce in a completing sentence. How about question 2? What do you think then?
Between the two different ideas.
Yes, that's right. Because what is the correct coordinating to link to the independent clauses in a contrasting relationship. How about question 3?
However,
Yes, that's right. However, what do you think then?
however, is a conjunct adverb that naturally follows a semicolon to show contrast.
Wow, perfect. Because, however, is a conjunctive adverb that naturally follows a semicolon to show contrast. Everyone did a good job. Wow,
Yes. Thank you, teacher.
So, time's up. Did you finish?
Yes.
Let's answer question 1. Who are in the text?
Wendy and Jenny.
Yes, Wendy and Jenny. What are they talking about?
They are talking about hobbies.
Great. They are talking about hobbies. We have finished reading. Let's check your understanding by completing a graphic organizer. This will be a group act. This will be a pair activity. Work with the person sitting next to you to complete this Venn diagram. Look at this Venn diagram. The left circle indicates Wendy's hobby. The right circle indicates Jenny's hobby. In the middle circle indicates Wendy and Jenny's hobby. Let's complete it by looking at a text. I will give 3 minutes. Let's start. Time's up. Look at this screen. What is Wendy's hobby?
Photography.
That's right. Wendy's hobby is gardening and photography. What is Jenny's hobby?
Photography and bird watching.
Perfect. Jenny's hobby is photography and bird watching. What is Wendy and Jenny's hobby?
Photography.
That's right, photography. Do you have same answer?
Yes.
Oh, great. Now, it is time for our last activity. This will be a group writing activity. For this activity, you will form groups of 4. Each person, the group member, has choose their role. You can choose your role. The role are leader, writer, uploader, and presenter. Once each person in the group members has choose their role, write a paragraph together. After finish, upload your paragraph, and then we will share the uploaded paragraph with the press. Let's make our group first. Look at this screen. 다은, 건희, 성현, 씨와 group 1 is here. 민경, 현진, 소원, 규리 group 2 is here. 근원, 다빈, 민영, 서원 group 3 is here. Let's move on. Everyone can find your seat?
Yes.
Every group already. Let's decide the role in each group. Group 1, who will be the leader? Me. Writer?
Me.
Uploader?
Me.
Presenter? Wow, perfect. How about group 2? Leader? Uploader? Writer? Presenter? How about group 3? Uploader?
Me.
Leader? Presenter? Okay, perfect. Now, you will write your paragraph. This is my sample writing. I have this. I prepare this. Head to you. Can you see the first line?
Yes.
Here I
enjoy cooking because it allows me to be creative and try new flavors.
Wow. And I will give some homework. Write a short paragraph about your favorite outdoor